Hi, and welcome to the Excel 2016 course. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're ready to learn a ton of practical, hands-on Excel skills, then you're in the right place. My name is Steve McDonald. I'm currently teaching 12 courses here on Udemy. 2 of them are on Excel. In fact, both of those Excel courses, my basics course and my formulas and function courses, all of the material from those is included in this course. My talent is taking complex, intimidating subjects and making them easy to learn and almost even fun. My teaching style is very hands-on, and I'll show you how to do things step by step. So you might be wondering if this course will be a good fit for you. Well, I designed this course for the beginner who needs to add Excel to their list of important job skills. This course is also a good fit for you if you have a little bit of experience with Excel already, but you're ready to fine-tune and expand your skills in an easy, stress-free way. I'll start you out with the basics, and soon you'll be mastering the 7 most common functions, such as VLOOKUP, SUMIF, COUNTIF, and more. You'll be creating pivot tables and pivot charts, and you'll be creating regular charts such as column charts, bar charts, pie charts, and more. And while it's ultimately up to you, my goal is to give you the skills to impress your boss and hopefully get that raise, promotion, or new job that you deserve. We'll start out with opening and saving a worksheet, creating a simple spreadsheet, and creating basic formulas. Then I'll walk you through creating charts from the information in your spreadsheets. I'll not only show you how to make charts, but I'll show you how to make them beautiful, clean, and professional looking. Finally, I'll show you how to create pivot tables and pivot charts. With pivot tables, you'll be able to make lightning fast calculations, sort and organize data quickly, and impress your boss with your new skills. I'll also teach you how to use a number of fun new features that are in Excel 2016, such as one-click forecasting and 3D maps. I'll show you how to do everything in clear, detailed step-by-step instructions, and I'll share shortcuts and productivity tips with you all along the way. I don't hold back any secrets. The course also includes easy-to-follow downloads so you can practice with Excel as you're learning from the lectures. Are you ready to take your productivity and hopefully even your job prospects to the next level? Let's get started with Excel 2016.